Hello my foodies! Today we will cook a cake recipe with no oven required. This is a great recipe for Christmas or New Year's. It's a beautiful and delicious pancake cake which you can make with the simplest ingredients you have in your pantry. Start by sifting 180 grams of flour. Any type of flour will work just fine. Add 35 grams of cocoa powder. Then add a pinch of salt. And 10 grams of sugar. Mix well. Add 3 eggs and mix. Then add 260 ml of milk and mix well. Boil 160 ml of water and add slowly. Pass through a sieve to make sure there are no lumps. Add 60 ml of agave syrup. You can also use honey instead. Mix well. Oil a pancake pan and cook all the pancakes. Set aside to cool. In a separate bowl, put 250 grams of cream cheese, 150 grams of sour cream, and 45 grams of powdered or icing sugar. Whisk together until you get soft peaks. Then add 250 grams of cream, full fat or 33% fat. Add another 45 grams of powdered or icing sugar. And whisk to incorporate. Fill each pancake and fold 3 times. Repeat until you finish all the pancakes. Make sure you leave some cream to assemble the cake. Roll the first pancake, then put each pancake wrapped around it. Finish all pancakes. Put the cake on a plate and set inside the spring form. Cover with cling film, let it cool in the fridge for at least 8 to 10 hours or overnight. Decorate with grated chocolate. Enjoy! If you enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a sweet day.